Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hello, Barney.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Bonjour.
Hi. How you doing there? Yellow? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yo. Hello? 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 Hello?
Smartphones have become part of our daily lives. We adore them because they help us in so many ways, from simple phone calls to playing games with sophisticated graphics. And with our everyday advance in artificial intelligence, oh boy, they are great partners. But they don't last for long because they are replaced by new products by manufacturers every day. Sadly speaking, most of the harm is done by phone damages, especially frequent overheating and poor battery life. This is where Shogun comes to tell you 7 things that really overheats your phone and drains your battery life. Number 1. Hardware failures. Not really common, hardware flaws lead to overheating and fast battery drainage. This is a result of manufacturer errors and can lead to explosion of battery components and fatal accidents to consumers, like the whole issue with the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Number 2. Bad phone cases. We are all amused by colorful and gorgeous phone cases, which makes us feel cool, but these phone cases don't really allow airflow. This causes the phone to get hot quickly and drains the life out of your battery and affect the performance of your phone. Number 3. Using bright or live wallpapers. Smartphone screens consume more power to display colorful and vibrant wallpapers than dull ones. By frequently using bright or live ones, your battery's life reduces over time. Number 4. Low quality accessories. Using cheap accessories like charging cables affects effective charging and leads to overheating of phones and damages your phone's battery in the long run. Number 5. Dirty charging port. One of the reasons why your phone overheats frequently is when your charging port is blocked by dirt and other tiny particles. This often interrupts with the charging procedure of your phone and takes a longer time for your phone to charge and overheat it in return. Number 6. Not closing apps completely. Due to the multitask feature, which became a tag for smartphones, especially those with powerful processors, you can run numerous background applications and accomplish various tasks by flying through them simultaneously. This cool feature becomes a nuisance to your phone's battery health when you don't fully close applications, especially huge ones like games. Number 7. Keeping your battery always at maximum. Finally, what many aren't aware of but really destroys your phone's battery health is charging your phone to 100% and keeping it that way for a long while. But how is this possible? Imagine you leaving the tap on in your kitchen. You either realize that all the water goes into the sink or turns into a pool and floods your entire kitchen if you didn't remove the sink plug. So is with the battery, especially keeping it at 100% for a long time, and what's worse, charging it overnight. By doing this, you force your battery to store excess electrons, which gradually destroys your phone. That's all for the day, guys. Let me know if you know anything else that can ruin your phone. Leave your answers in the comment section. I'm Shogun, and this is Wait. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. As always, I'm Shogun, and this is Tech Gorilla.